Have you been a victim of cyberbullying or knew of someone who is? What should be done to prevent the happening of this incident? This is what I will be discussing with you, friends. The Anti-Cyberbullying Act of 2015. This is Doc Nee, who wished to make law easy for all to understand. Because of the birth of the internet, people find a liberal platform to air what they want to say. Sometimes they are not mindful if what they are posting could cause harm to others. Cyberbullying exists when there are acts of cruelty committed using electronic media or technology. It affects one's dignity or causing fear of physical or emotional harm. It may include 1. Insulting messages, 2. Derogatory information about the victim, 3. Posting offensive photos taken with or without consent with intention to embarrass, 4. Breaking into electronic account to send embarrassing materials, 5. Tricking to reveal embarrassing information, and 6. Engaging in online activities that cause fear on victims' safety. All of these acts should be committed via social media with the purpose of destroying reputation or humiliation and is published therein, and the victim need not be named but mere identifiable will give rise to the case.
Run.
It caused uncomfortable hostile environment to the victim due to foul language. Cyberbullying is not a legal concept in the Philippine law. It cannot stand alone without specifying what actions was committed. There is no cyberbullying, per se, as a crime. Example, if cyberbullying is committed against a minor, the case is not cyberbullying alone, but cyberbullying in relation to violation of Republic Act 7610, known as an act providing a special protection of children against abuse, exploitation and discrimination act. If who was bullied is a mere friend, it can just be unjust vexation, but when published, it will fall under online libel. It depends on the statement made. It can be grave threat by stating "I will hit you with my car." If there is a romantic relation between the accused and the victim, it is cyberbullying in relation to violation of Republic Act 9262, known as the Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004. In cases where it was done using a fake account or trolls, it can be traced by an expert in cybercrime by tracing the IP address, the date and time of publication. If the cyberbullying is in criminal nature and was made while in the other country, our courts has no jurisdiction because crime is territorial in nature. There is really a need to identify who made the cyberbullying because of the principle of presumption of innocence, and in case of doubt, the case is resolved in favor of the accused. We are guaranteed by the Constitution with right of expression. There is no criminal liability if the cyberbullying is made in accordance with the performance of official function of a politician. However, if it is a personal attack on the private life, there is a presumption of bad faith, where the victim doesn't need to prove that there is bad or ill motive. Whoever published is the one who is liable. Those who merely shared and liked are not liable, unless they made additional derogatory statement aside from the original text before they shared it. In the next discussion, we are going to tackle the prevention of acts falling under cyberbullying. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to be notified for the next topic. Thank you very much and God bless us all.